Greetings, everyone. We're about to embark on an exhilarating voyage of discovery, so don't forget to stick around until the end, because in the end I will show you a special scene. New excitement surrounding Wonka world premiere, Timothe Chalamet and Hugh Grant bringing Roald Dahl's Chocolate Factory to London. The highly anticipated world premiere of the musical film Wonka, based on the beloved characters from Roald Dahl's imagination, took place in London on Tuesday. The iconic Royal Festival Hall was extravagantly transformed into a whimsical and festive version of Willy Wonka's famous chocolate factory, captivating attendees with its enchanting ambience. Directed by Paul King, known for his work on the popular Paddington series, Wonka showcases a captivating original story crafted by Warner Brothers. The film tells the tale of the eccentric chocolatier, Willy Wonka, taking the audience on a thrilling adventure through his extraordinary factory. The premiere event in London was a star-studded affair, featuring renowned actors Timothe Chalamet and Hugh Grant, who masterfully portrayed central characters in the movie. Chalamet's exceptional performance as Willy Wonka promises to captivate audiences, as he brings a fresh and dynamic perspective to the iconic role. Meanwhile, Grant's talent shines through as he adds depth and complexity to his character, enhancing the overall cinematic experience. While the film is set for release in the United States on December 15, London had the privilege of witnessing the magic firsthand during the world premiere event. Attendees were treated to a visually stunning experience, as they immersed themselves in the fantastical world of Wonka's chocolate factory. The evening was filled with excitement and anticipation, with guests marveling at the attention to detail and the intricately designed sets. Wonka promises to be a musical extravaganza, combining mesmerizing visuals with memorable songs that will transport viewers into the whimsical universe created by Roald Dahl. The film is set to delight audiences of all ages, as it reimagines the timeless story with a contemporary twist, breathing new life into the beloved characters. The world premiere of Wonka in London marks the beginning of an exciting journey for this much-anticipated film. With its stellar cast, talented director, and the enchanting legacy of Roald Dahl's storytelling, it is set to become a must-see cinematic experience. Audiences worldwide eagerly await the opportunity to step into the chocolate-filled wonders of Wonka's factory when the film hits theaters.